Hello viewers, here we already installed the camera. This is the project. Here we need to now cable pulling. This is the Cat 6. It's called Cat 6 cable. Okay, it's a Belgian cable. It's made in Hungary, you can see. Okay, this is the original Cat 6. So we have also the flexible conduit. Then our stuff went to the top of the building. They will make cable pulling right now. So let's see. Also here you can see our pipe. It goes to the office, and this way we have a lot of pipe. Okay, and then those pipe went to the rooftop you can see. Organize of the cable pipe with the PVC pipe. You can see here our cable organizing with the flexible conduit, and then we have it came down through this way out the, and then we use the PVC black pipe to go to the office. Behind of this is the office. Okay, and then I will show you the entertainment area. So this camera is controlling all this entertainment area. So you can see our camera over here also too. So you can see they installing the 6MP IP networking camera. So it's very top of the building. It's very hard and difficult to do the job. So here we have two camera on the top of the building. It's in the rooftop. So you can see our stuff is working over here. So it's very difficult to work on this top. It's a 5 storage building. So all these two camera will control this area. So the small restaurant. As this is as a theater building. Hello viewers. Here we already installed the camera. This is the project for great entertainment. It's in you can say area name is Morocco. Okay, here we have camera. All of them are 6 megapixels. And then I will let you know one by one. So you will see our camera. Just a second. Open the password. Necessary to keep watching. Okay, then we have here one stage in this area. This is the area, every stage.